Need a breather from the scroll, but don't want to lose your whole digital life? Let's talk about hitting pause on your Instagram. First things first, you can't deactivate directly from the app. You'll need to use a web browser on your phone or computer. Open your preferred browser. And go to Instagram.com, make sure you're logged into the account you want to temporarily disable. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Now look for the settings option. It might be a gear icon or the word settings itself, usually found in the top right corner of your profile page. Click on that. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the help option. Tap or click on that to proceed. Now you're in the Instagram Help Center. There's a search bar here, so type in delete account and press enter. From the search results, you'll want to find the article specifically about temporarily disabling your account. It's important to note the difference between disabling and deleting. Let's click into that article. Within this article, you'll find a direct link. It's usually a blue or underlined link that says something like temporarily disable my account. Click this link. This will take you to a page where you can actually disable your account. You'll be asked to confirm your password then. You'll see a drop-down menu asking for the reason you're disabling your account. Choose the option that best fits your situation from the provided list. After selecting a reason, you'll see a button that says Temporarily Disable Account. Click this button to confirm, and that's it. Your account is now temporarily disabled. Remember, deactivating makes your profile, photos, comments, and likes invisible until you log back, and it's a great way to take a break without losing your content. Permanently deleting, on the other hand, is irreversible. So, if you're just looking for a social media detox, temporary deactivation is your best bet. Take your break, recharge, and come back when you're ready.